Hello everyone, my name is Harish Solanki. This is video based on regression model evolution, stepwise regression model evolution, regression modeling, estimation and evolution. Regression model in data science. A regression model is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable, uh, the outcome you want to predict, and one or more independent variable, the factor the influence the outcome. It helps us understand the how how changes in the independent variable affect the independent variable to the dependent variable and independent variable. One or more regression model evolution will changes in the independent variable affect dependent introduction and understanding key concept. First one, dependent independent variable. Second, linear regression. Third है model fitting. In dependent variable, the dependent variable you want to predict or explain. Independent variable, the variable should used to predict the dependent variable. The linear regression, simple linear regression model, the relationship between single independent variable and dependent variable using a straight line or using a linear equation. Assumption of regression model: linearity, independence, normality. Linearity means the scatter plot of data should be linear trend. Independence in the error detection. Error detection. Independence error. These assumptions state that error of each observation are independent to each other. The other observation error is one should influence the error in the another observation. Can be assessed using a histogram or statistical test like Sharpe-Wilk test. Let's move on to another topic: estimating linear regression model in Python. Scikit-learn model fitting. Scikit-learn is a powerful Python libraries that provide efficient tools for machine learning, including the linear regression. Here are the steps to estimate linear regression. Model validation: use technique like cross validation to access model preference on different data. Split model selection, regular consideration techniques. Model evolution metrics: R squared matrix, mean squared error, root mean squared error. A measure of average errors in the unit. Residual analysis and diagnostics. Residual plots analysis require reducible pattern to stepwise regression techniques. Forward selection, backward elimination, stepwise selection. First, forward selection. Start within an empty model and add variable one at a time based on significance. Backward elimination: sort a full model and remove variable one at a time based on insignificance. And stepwise selection: combine forward and backward step, adding and removing variable iteratively. Stepwise regression techniques. Implementing stepwise regression: statement library, automated selection, conclusion, regression model result. coefficient quality the result between each independent variable and dependent variable. State makeable library use the state model library for powerful stepwise